Hello everyone. As you can see, Tanushka is not here today. But कोई बात नहीं, आज आप सिर्फ मेरे साथ पॉडकास्ट करने वाले हैं. But it's going to be something different. We're going to cook today.
Guys, she's lying. I'm ready to do the podcast together. Sorry, Jessina. ये हमें साथ नहीं करना पड़ेगा.
आप कर लोगे? खाना बना लोगे आप?
Well, it's a little difficult, but we'll try our best. So let's get started.
Okay, done.
Jessina, I swear my mom's gonna be super happy today.
Why girly pop?
Because चलो podcast के लिए but kitchen में तो गेड़ा मारा मैंने.
अभी भी किचन में नहीं गेड़ा मारा, but at least we bought the kitchen to us. It's a start. We're starting somewhere.
A few moments later.
गर्ली पॉप आपने उल्टा पकड़ा हुआ है.
लगता है क्रिसमस की वजह से स्मार्टनेस मेरी कुछ ज़्यादा ही कम हो गई है. पहले जैसे ना शुरू करते हैं. So according to the tradition, Saint Thomas, Jesus की basically apostle थे, one of the 12 disciples, and he arrived in India and later on lived in Tamil Nadu, which is so interesting. Well, moving on to our
First ingredients.
I think we're gonna start with the atta, which is approximately 1 cup.
One cup, yeah.
So
1 cup oat flour and 1 cup wheat flour.
yeah, you start. I'll keep on telling the story.
Yes, yes.
A few moments later.
Well, basically, जो चेन्नई का सैंथोम बेसिलिकल है, it's one of the most oldest churches to exist. And interestingly, जो सेंट थॉमस अपोस्टल है, उनकी ग्रेव के ऊपर बना गया है, which is so interesting. Like you're combining Christianity with a tradition, and I mean, it's super interesting to have someone from Jesus के time who lived in India, which is very interesting.
I low-key didn't know that Christianity in India was so like old.
It's
No, had no
exactly
idea.
Like इतना पुराने time से, which is so interesting.
Okay, girly pop. Now it's my turn. I'll tell the story. तब तक you put the oat flour. So now let's go back to Pondicherry, where Christmas is celebrated French style. Noel cakes, French hymns, outfits from the 1930s. That's the OG vintage, right? And imagine, it feels like you're walking in Paris, like a French vintage town, but with Tamil music in the background. Isn't that crazy?
That's insane. It's like Paris filter लगा दिया, इतना aesthetic लगता होगा ना. Well, इसको पूरे को पूरा डाल देते हैं. And let's move on to the next story. अभी तक we have mixed oat flour and atta. Yeah.
And wheat flour. So now I'll smash the bananas. Till then, Tanushka can continue telling.
Well, moving on with the next story, it's about the Kochi Carnival. It takes place near the old Portuguese and Dutch fortifications, and there are puppet parades. There's a lot of light and glamour, and it's just fabulous to witness something like that. And I think during my school time also, I heard a lot of stories about the Kochi Carnival. So yeah, if you're someone from Chennai, do let us know about your Kochi Carnival.
After listening to this, I really want to go visit myself.
Like that's interesting now. We always hear about how there are Christmas markets in Switzerland and all of these European countries. But witnessing something in India, just it makes it so amazing altogether.
So now I've smashed one banana and now it's Tanushka's turn. Till then, I'll tell you another story. So now let's go to our favorite place, Goa. We've always heard the party scene, but let's hear the Christmas culture as well. So there's something really interesting about the Christmas crib roofs. You know, the ones that are usually made out of hay. But here they're made out of actual jackfruit leaves that are woven together like tiles of salt. And this existed before modern materials, etc. Some families even talk about how Christmas in their house smells like jackfruit. Have you ever thought?
That's insane. Like, Goa is just known for the party culture, and going to Goa and talking about the jackfruit, actual jackfruit ka crib is insane. It's madness.
Listening to jackfruit, the only thing I remember is kathal biryani. So this was quite interesting for us as well.
Yeah. Well, I'm done mashing bananas, and I think our bananas look great. They look great.
Yes.
So I'll move on to the next story. Until then, I think Jess and I can work on the dry ingredients.
I'm gonna add baking soda and baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon of each, respectively. And till then, Tanushka is gonna tell you the story.
Well, Jess, and now moving on to the next story, which is very eco-friendly. we're going to talk about the regions of Meghalaya, Tripura celebrating Christmas. They make trees out of bamboo.
Damn.
Which is quite interesting. They basically tie the poles of the bamboo together to make a Christmas tree and decorate it with ornaments. So if you are someone from Northeast, do let us know. We would be really interested to have a look. And if you're following us from a very long time, you know that we put in a lot of effort when it comes to our podcast. So do subscribe to our channel as well. And moving on to the next step.
So I put baking powder and baking soda. Now you can put the other dry ingredients. Jaggery and cinnamon, I think.
Yes.
Okay. Let's just put this back. Aesthetic bhi lagna chahiye yaar. Okay, so now it's my turn. Let's move to Kerala. So I've always wanted to visit the backwaters of Kerala. And something interesting about that as well is that in the culture, they actually take long boats, country boats of sorts, and people get together on board and sing Christmas carols while moving through the canals. Imagine sitting in moonlight with lamps lit next to you and beautiful water with the light shining on it.
That's so interesting.
मुझे Tangled की याद आ गई. I know that's a bit of a stretch, but still the water, the lights, and then Christmas carols.
That's insane. I think India is so diverse in a way, right?
And I think it's so beautiful that Christianity and Christmas traditions are clubbed together with ancient Indian practices, with the culture of the people, the culture of particular regions. Like Christmas in India is celebrated differently in Northeast, in Kerala, in Mumbai, in different parts of the world differently.
So I'm done putting the jaggery, and I think Jessina's going to do the rest of the work. I'm kind of tired.
A few moments later.
So well, Jessina, we all know about the paper stars जो हम hang करते हैं, like the ornaments on our Christmas trees every year, and उसकी major production Tamil Nadu में होती है. That's so interesting. Basically, there's a Tamil Nadu में star production factory, and they produce, especially in the regions of Sivakasi and Nagercoil, there's 70% production of all these ornaments, and most of these ornaments are being exported out of India as well to regions like Dubai and European regions as well, which is so interesting.
Damn, I literally did not know the story behind the star. That is very, very interesting.
Exactly.
Okay, so while Tanushka was telling you another story, I mixed cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, butter, and
I think our butter kind of like it's no longer melted, and yeah, we don't know what you're making at this point, but
at least like with the butter being frozen, you know it's Christmas season, December's here, it's getting colder in Delhi. What else did I put? Cinnamon, oh, banana, wow. We put bananas as well, the mashed bananas,
hango.
that's in this as well. I don't know how we will cook in the future, because even when we're sitting on a table with ingredients in front of us, we haven't been able to.
we're so absorbed with the Christmas spirit now.
Yes. Okay, now you mix and whisk this. Till then, I'm going to tell you the next story. So now let's move to the Baila nights. You must be thinking what Baila is. So in the Mangalorean area, Baila nights are basically dance nights that actually mix two different cultures. The South Indian percussion music with Portuguese beats. And then both of these are clubbed together and people dance listening to this music all night. This is such a beautiful blend of both the cultures.
It's like calories burned but blessings earned. And हमारी केक की हालत कुछ
अच्छी नहीं लग रही
अच्छी
है.
नहीं लग रही है because we have mixed the butter, but it looks
I think we have to add milk. It looks really dry.
Yeah, it looks so dry and it doesn't look like a cake at this point.
Okay. You pass me the milk, I'll whisk it, and then you can recite the next story.
Guys, moving on to the next one. थोड़ा सा cake में दिक्कत आ गई थी. We were just figuring it out. So moving on to the next segment is how rock capital of India converted into a choir capital. Basically Shillong का region is वहाँ पे काफ़ी population who are part of the Christianity community. There's a lot of choirs that are organized every year. There are competitions, and that's why Shillong in a way is known as the choir capital during Christmas time.
Shillong is often referred to as the rock capital of India for being home to very talented musicians in the country and is a perfect place for music lovers. Shillong Chamber Choir is a well-known name in the country. Their outstanding music made the international audience groove many times. But there is another choir.
That's so cool. Like when you think of Christmas carols in choir, Shillong would be the last place I think of. Not the last place, but like it's something I wouldn't think of, honestly.
Exactly, and I still remember my time in a convent and how it used to be all fun when it comes to choir and all the dances and everything. So yeah, I think I'll do the rest, which
Yes.
is I think we need to
Put the chocolate chips,
chips.
and we have to cut chocolate
I
pieces
think
and put it.
chocolate chips. तो I think we'll put it इसके ऊपर ही ना.
Ha, we can cut chocolate pieces and put it
Yeah,
inside.
but see, that's our batter. Looks yummer.
Then put sugar.
We did. We put. I did.
You put
I did.
jaggery, oh shit,
Like a
take it,
little
take
bit,
it.
not that much, because we are very diet conscious.
So now let's move to our last and final story, our 10th story about Mumbai's Kochiwada Christmas. Last but really cute. So Kochiwada is a tiny heritage village in South Bombay that celebrates Christmas with Portuguese-style homes, with lanterns, goan sweets, as well as live band performances. Entire lanes lit with string lights, जैसे हमने अपने पीछे लगा रखी है. This tiny pocket of old Bombay feels like a time capsule that most Mumbaikars don't even know exists.
I think हमारी बॉम्बे वाली जनता में बता सकती है about this tradition that exists in South Bombay. So yeah, I think
We'll just
chocolate
cut the
to
chocolate now and put it in our
cake.
yes. To put
To
the batter
inside
inside.
the baking.
Yes, we're
dish.
fine.
Should we get one more spoon for this task?
I assume. Let's try. नहीं हुआ तो फिर.
We'll get. Corners से निकालना पड़ेगा सारा. Well, guys, we are done doing this. Like मेरी सारे efforts है, क्या ही बोले.
Excuse me. आपके efforts है आपके.
Well, guys, अब हम इसके ऊपर I think chocolate लगाने वाले हैं.
जिसको हम अभी break. मैं जिससे break कर रही हूँ मैं.
Yes. Jason is trying to break the chocolate, and then we're gonna put it, and we are all done with the cake. So
Yes, we're gonna put it in the oven after this.
after this, we're gonna put it in the oven for I think 30 minutes, and
I tried so much and I couldn't.
I think इस पे थोड़ा batter लगा हुआ है. I'll put this as well.
This is an Indian household, nothing can go to waste.
Exactly.
So we're done.
Yay!
And now let's put it.
Looks like Jessina, the cake's ready. Banana bread's ready. Anyways,
Let's see if it's edible or just emotional damage.
we hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Do let us know in the comment section below, and do subscribe to us. We have been working very hard with this podcast, and hope to see you next year.
We hope you liked this baking chatting session, and till then, Merry Christmas and stay curious, stay royal, and always keep the dialogue alive.